Installation of signal selector. The left side connects to the signal box on the washing machine. The right side connects to the dispenser. If the signal selector is only connected to the dispenser, it is recommended to place the signal selector fixed above the washing machine. Then, use a network cable to connect to the required washing machine port. Now the signal selector is only connected to the dispenser. It is connected to washing machine No.1. This page is the main page of the signal selector and also the formula selection page. This corresponds to Formula 1, Formula 2, and Formula 3. Press the down key to select different formulas. Take Formula 1 as an example. Click to enter and click Run. It will give a signal to Soap Cup 1. You can see the dispenser start operating. Below is the duration for Soap Cup. This shows the automatic mode. We need to switch to manual mode. After one step is completed, proceed to the next feeding step. Click on Main Wash to proceed to the next feeding. Now the first feeding has been completed. We click Next again to proceed with the next feeding. Now you can see that this is the output signal for the soap cup. It reaches our washing machine, and the washing machine proceeds with the next feeding. Similarly, this is the duration. This shows which steps the formula is in and the steps that have been completed. When the step is completed, it disappears. Next, we proceed with the final feeding. Now we are connecting the signal selector to the washing machine and dispenser. Now using a 5-way signal box. There are interfaces at the bottom of the signal box. If there is only 1 or 2 signals, you only need to connect 1 or 2 signal wires. There is no need to connect all the signal wires. For a single signal, just connect the positive terminal of Soap Cup 1 to the washing machine circuit board. Take the signal selector and insert the network cable into the leftmost side at the back. The other end of the network cable is inserted into the top of the signal box. It is recommended to place the signal selector in front of the washing machine. Leave some extra network cable. After connecting the signal box on the washing machine to the signal selector, insert another network cable on the right side and connect it to the dispenser's main board. Now we begin adjusting the signal selection mode. First, enter a formula. Press and hold the program button for about 5 seconds. Release it to enter the settings menu. The first option is Soap Cup Delay. It sends a command signal for seconds after receiving the signal. The next is the Soap Cup Duration. The duration of the soap cup when the signal selector sends a signal to the dispenser. Press the down button. We are now in multi-signal mode. Click on Settings and change to single signal mode. Click Program to return. Select the required formula on the signal selector. Take Formula 1 as an example. After pressing the Start button on the washing machine, press the Start button on the signal selector. It will send a signal to Soap Cup 1. This represents the first formula. Check the operating status of our dispenser. This formula has appeared in the dispenser, and the corresponding for steps appear. Now simulate the first feeding. Since it's in single signal mode, we randomly selected a soap cup. Now our signal selector has recognized the first signal and provided the first feeding step of the formula. The feeding has started on our dispenser. After feeding is completed, the first feeding step will disappear. The remaining 3 feeding steps are waiting for feeding. When the washing machine sends the next feeding signal, the next feeding will proceed accordingly. When editing a formula, you need to program from the first step. If only 3 feedings are required, just program 3 steps in the formula. The last step can be omitted.
Splani.